2023 Lexus IS350, brand new redesigned Lexus. This is a pretty sweet ride. We're slapping a Borla S-Type on it. Shout out to Borla, best system on the market, anti-drone technology. Justin Axelback, whoa, shit, almost ate it, guys. Watch out for the rollers. System comes up just like this, bolts onto the stock section, has this adapter flange, it's in the box, and then the other muffler right there. So if you wanted to make it a little bit more aggressive after you do an Axelback, you can either buy the mid pipe from Borla or shout out to us because we delete resonators, guys. Delete this resonator, do a custom mid pipe, maybe upgrade the X pipe, and then these secondary cats usually don't touch. But in the future, if you decide to go headers or something crazy like that, I would definitely recommend an air intake as well. So Borla S-Type getting on this IS350, baby. So the IS350 comes with a V6 3.5, about 311 horsepower. So this upgrade should make about 10 to 15 horsepower. When you do a full exhaust, it should make about 20 horsepower. You slap an air intake on there, add another 10 horsepower to that, you're around 350, so it matches the badging. IS350, air intake and exhaust, gets you to about 350 horsepower. So these are also the most reliable vehicles on the road, probably on the planet. Lexus, Toyota, same company. They just made it to be a luxury version of the Toyotas and to sell to the American market. Luxury exports to the US, all right? Lexus, makes sense, guys. So this is a stock exhaust, comes with a set of cats up top, comes down to two secondary converters right here. These are secondary catalytic converters, has the equalization X pipe, kind of weird, kind of flat, not the best for performance. This is more for quiet and just basically making some equalization. And then it comes with two resonators, again, restrictive. If you want to make more sound, a little bit more power, get rid of these two resonators. Then you have the Borla attach system or the Borla S-Type on there to give it a nice, clean, deep sound. So that also does have anti-drone technology and guarantees performance, which is why we love Borla at Gexhaust.
As you guys can see, we're mocking up the system right now. Borla did make a two-piece section on the right side. It's pretty fine, it's just kind of a thicker flange in the back. Towards the exit, we're mocking up right now to add different tips the customer wanted to go with. Guys, we're gonna add on these 4-inch matte black tips to the customer's car. He did want to change out the tips, which is fine. Borla does offer black tips, but they didn't have it on this option, so we're gonna make it fit for him.
So the Borla S-Type is installed on the IS350. We swapped out the stock tips or the factory tips from Borla. He wanted to go with black powder coated. Thank God Gexhaust has the largest selection in South Florida when it comes down to tips. Went with the 4-inch double wall black powder coated, matches the rest of the car. It's all black and white. I love the scheme on the car. Black and white's where it's at. You got that car looking all black and white. Perfect. So yeah, Borla S-Type, great upgrade. If you want a little bit louder, just delete the resonators, like I said. So he's gonna rev it a few times, let you guys hear it. Let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe. Gexhaust out.